The friendliest, warmest and most talented chef I know. We're very lucky to have him. And what's wonderful about him is he's going to cook a Sattvic menu for us, a meal to get you from morning to night. But not only will it be healthy, it will be delicious, because you do not want to deprive yourself. And there is absolutely a way to cook healthy food that is finger licking good. So Chef is going to show us now how. And Chef, what will you be cooking today?
Thank you so much for all the kind and generous words for me.
You are lovely. You really are.
So, our theme for today's menu is, in festivities we indulge a lot into food, right? But that indulgence, for our body, festivity is different. I mean, like for our body festivity would be some nice, nourishing, grounding meals which will set us back. So indulgence may be good for joyous for us, but for our body we need something different.
Yeah.
Right. So all this healthy food, that's festivity for our body. So today we are going to do a day's menu. Maybe what we do when we wake up in the morning until night, a simple menu, which is Sattvic in nature. Which is pure, balancing, nourishing in nature, and very easy to do as well. We'll see that in no time we would be creating a full menu from morning to evening.
That's wonderful, and it doesn't even take time, right?
Very easy to do.
And Sattvic means also that it's tridoshic, so good for everyone. Yeah,
good for everyone.
Great.
And which is not stimulating for our body. No burden on our body as such. Easily digestible. The nutrients can be easily assimilated. And what we'll also see during cooking, what combinations are good.
Okay.
So sometimes we cannot pair things randomly with each other. There is some logic, some science to it. So when food are paired correctly, they do wonders in the body. So that's also Sattvic.
Oh, I can't wait to hear more. So I'm going to leave you to your kitchen, and you show us what you're cooking. So what's coming first?
So a lot has been talked about what should be an early morning ritual. What should we be doing when we wake up early in the morning? Yeah. And a lot of people do a lot of different things. Some would do apple cider vinegar, or some would do just warm water, right? Some people prefer having a cup of coffee in the morning, right? But from a very Sattvic or tridoshic point of view, what would help everyone, I would say a warm water works best, maybe with a little lemon, right? But here this recipe, especially when you have indulged into a lot of food during festivities, you had a party and you want to reset your body, so this particular recipe will do wonders to you. It's very simple. It's just the warm water with a slice of ginger. Right now, ginger has great digestive and metabolic boosting properties. So in the morning we want something to kick our metabolism, right? So ginger, for that we'll use some Himalayan pink salt, rock salt. This will do a good electrolyte balance in our body, a mineral balance in the body. So a pinch of that. Then lemon though is sour in taste, but it alkalizes the body, right? Great ingredient to put first thing in the morning in our body. And there is some honey. So honey will not be boiling with the water, but as an optional ingredient to add towards the last. Now honey though is sweet, but it has a great scraping properties and kapha reducing properties, right? So in the morning, what happens from the overnight, there would be a lot of mucus built up in the body. Honey is a great ingredient to scrape that through and send it to the gut to get removed from the body.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so honey in the morning, a good choice.
But add honey once the water is a little cooler?
Yes, so honey should not be added to the water, say above 40 or 50 degrees Celsius, and never boil honey or cook honey. Whenever you are having it, your drink is ready, just towards the end mix it in the cup and drink it.
Perfect.
Do not boil it or cook it.
Perfect.
And we also do not want boiling water, we just want warm water. So here we have some warm water. Now I'm going to add ginger slices. Just 1 or 2 slices are enough. Maybe just 1 slice per cup would be good. Just little rock salt for the electrolyte balance.
Chef's busy kitchen. And you even grate your own salt.
Sorry, ma'am?
You even grate your own salt.
Yes, I would love to show you.
Look at that.
This is the Himalayan pink salt. This is how it's found in the nature, and you grind it. And sometimes there may be some impurities as well, so you have to be very careful while grinding. Look for impurities if there are any, and use it.
It's beautiful, no? Actually, then. Yes, we could. Actually, we have that in our product. Okay, so then. Chef, would you ever add black pepper in here?
You can add black pepper. I mean, like, there are a lot of additions you can do. You can add black pepper, you can add cinnamon. Some people would prefer maybe just one single piece of clove in there, right? So based on your body, your requirements, you can make adjustments to it, right? But this is like the very simple one. This I would say like is a must, which will do wonders to everyone. Now, if I add cloves, black pepper, so someone with a very high pitta may not be very good for them early in the morning, right? Now to this, I am adding a little lemon juice. And then you add honey to your taste.
Yum. This drink is so delicious.
So very simple drink to wake up your digestion, to wake up your metabolism early in the morning. Great scraping properties from the honey and the lemon, which alkalizes. A good drink in the morning. So our first dish today for our Sattvic menu, how you start your day.
That's